Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae. I'm back with another video for you all. So today I will be doing a middle part sew-in for you all. We dyed my sister's hair red this time. We dyed it red a little while ago, but she wanted to go brighter, so I was just like, let's do it, sis. So right now I'm just sewing her hair in. I've already sewn my net on. If you all would like a video of me actually showing you all how to sew on a net, definitely let me know in the comment section and I will do a detailed video on that. But right now I'm just sewing on her net. Also, you guys, I have started taking clients here in Atlanta, so if you are in the Atlanta area, the Georgia area period, honey, if you got a car you can drive, come on and book your appointment and let me know what it is that you all want. I have not started doing frontals yet. Right now I'm only doing traditional installs, quick weaves, and I think maybe in December I'm going to start doing closures. I'm really not doing frontals right now. Y'all probably like, well, if you know how to do a closure, you should not do a frontal. But no, I'm not doing frontals right now. I'm just doing the natural hairstyles right now. So if you all are interested in that and you live in the Georgia area, Atlanta area, definitely book with me. DM me on Instagram at hairby_Quoia. My name is listed right there. My Instagram name is listed below. Just hit me up through DM and I will definitely get this appointments booked for you all. So once I've completed her install, I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. You all know I use this Skinny Serum in all of my videos to add shine to the hair, and it also softens it as well, and it also helps reduce his frizz, and it keeps away the flyaways. So I'm going to use my Dyson blow dryer to blow dry her hair. I already went in with my Tresemme heat protectant, and I also put some of that Skinny Serum on her leave out as well. I did not use the Tresemme heat protectant on her weave. For the weave, or the extensions I should say, for the extensions I only use the Skinny Serum. That's it, just one product, that's all you need, because you don't want to make your hair stiff. I try to stress that in all of my videos. You only need small pumps of this stuff and it'll take you a long way. I'm using my Babyliss flat iron. I'm doing one pass, sometimes two, depending on if it be a little bushy still. I'm going to do two passes, but for the most part I'm doing one pass. I'm taking my time. I'm just gliding down the shaft of her hair, and I'm just going to do that until I get to the top, and then I'm just going to let you all know how I slay this leave out. If you have not already, definitely make sure that you click on that subscribe button as well as click on that thumbs up button so that YouTube continues to recommend my videos. Somebody commented a little while ago like, yo, your videos, they real slept on, girl. You deserve more views. And I do, but y'all asses ain't active enough. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment and thumbs up my video so that I can get these views, so I can push out more videos, because sometimes I feel like y'all ain't with your girl like enough. But I feel the love, but I don't feel it enough, man. Like, y'all support me, support the black owned businesses, support the black owned channels. So the leave out time. So every time I do my leave out, I make sure that I go in with a smaller flat iron just so I can get close to those roots, to get close to that kinkiness, honey. You got to use a small flat iron so you can get up on that hair like you need to. And then after that, I take my babyless flat iron and I do one pass down the shaft of their hair. You all know I take my Care wax stick. This is going to help tame those flyaways, and this is the blend master. That Care wax stick is going to blend your hair for the gods. It's going to make it look real neat. It's going to make it blend really, really well. So as you all can see, that is the blend game for these leave outs. That's how I slay my leave outs. I'm next going to start slaying her edges. Now my sister, this particular sister, she got these tough edges now, so I definitely make sure that I take my time. I go in with the comb part of that edge little brush thingy, and then I go in with the brush part. I'm using She Is Bomb edge control. I love that edge control. When I tell y'all, it can last you a whole 2 days if you use it properly. It will definitely last you a whole 2 days. Whether you are relaxed or whether you have 4C, 4Z hair, is going to last you a good amount of time. Of course, make sure that you're washing it out. You can wash it out with a little bit of water. You definitely don't have to wash your whole entire head. You can just use a little bit of water. A little trick I like to do is use a little bit of water, put it on a rag, and I just wipe my edges, and then that way it lifts some of that residue. Next, I'm going to take my Care High Sheen Glossifier. I'm going to take that Fantasia Heat Protecting Spray, but I always use it as a glossifier as well. Anyways, I'm going to use it as a glossifier, but this is the finished look of her traditional install. Like I said, if you're in the Atlanta area, DM me and book with me. This is the finished look. Make sure you all are subscribed to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about the video. Thumbs up the video, and I will see you all next time in the next video. Bye.
Like flush it out. What was that?